She said she needed space. Now she's back. And the worst thing you can do right now is act like nothing happened, sliding right back into the same position that made her leave in the first place. Here's exactly what you need to do. Step 1, slow everything down. The moment she comes back, it feels like relief, like validation. And that feeling will make you want to speed up, lean in, open up, give her everything before she's earned it. That's the mistake. When you move fast, you're telling her nothing has changed. Keep your tone calm and grounded, not cold, not overexcited, neutral confidence, and control your availability. If she wants to see you, you check your schedule like you would for anyone else. You don't rearrange your life for her. A lot of men panic here thinking, if I don't act fast. But understand this, you don't lose a woman by having standards. You lose her by having none. Step 2, don't reward the disappearance. If she pulled away, went inconsistent, treated you like an option, and then came back to find you even more invested than before, what lesson are you teaching her? That leaving costs her nothing. Now, not every woman who comes back has bad intentions. Sometimes the timing was off. Sometimes she genuinely needed space. But your job isn't to assume the best and give everything freely. Your job is to protect your value until her actions prove she deserves access again. So don't greet her return like you've been waiting with a welcome banner. Don't flood her with attention just because she showed up. Your presence should feel different, slightly reserved, calm, not fully open. She should sense that something has shifted, because it has. Your standards have. She wants to get back to where things were. She moves toward you, not the other way around. And don't overcorrect into punishment mode either. That's emotional. It shows you're still reacting. The goal isn't to make her feel bad. It's to make her earn her position again. Through consistency, effort, and time, not words. Step 3, address it without getting emotional. You're going to acknowledge what happened, without drama, without a breakdown. There's unspoken tension sitting in the background of every early interaction. If you ignore it entirely, you're telling her it didn't matter enough to bring up. That drops your value immediately. But addressing it doesn't mean explaining how hurt or confused you were. The moment you do that, the dynamic flips and you're seeking validation instead of setting standards. The goal is clarity without emotional dependency. Keep it simple. Something like, last time you pulled away without much explanation. That's not something I'm looking to repeat. That's it. A fact and a direction. Then watch how she responds. Does she take accountability? Explain herself without deflecting? That's a good sign, not a green light, but something to work with. Does she minimize it, joke it off, or flip it back on you? That tells you she hasn't changed. Don't ignore that signal just because you want connection more than truth. Step 4, rebuild attraction. Don't resume the old relationship. Whatever dynamic existed before she left wasn't strong enough to keep her. So if you recreate it exactly, you're rebuilding the same outcome. Stop thinking we're back together. Start thinking this is a new interaction with someone I have history with. That shift alone changes how you move. When she first met you, there was uncertainty. She didn't know how available you were, how much access she'd get. That uncertainty created attraction. Then you became predictable, emotionally transparent, easy, and the tension disappeared. You have a rare chance to reintroduce that tension now. Not by becoming cold or robotic, that's forced and reads as fake, but by removing the behaviors that made you too accessible and too easy to take for granted. Same as you, stronger boundaries, better control of your time and energy. Let her reinvest. When she does, acknowledge it, but don't over-reward it. If she didn't have to work to get back into your life, why would she value being there? Step 5, watch actions, not words. Finally, shift from emotional participant to calm observer. Stop chasing clarity, watch for it instead, because clarity lives in patterns, not promises. Here's what you're looking for: consistency over intensity. A lot of women come back with a burst of energy that fades within days. That means nothing. Does she show up the same way over time, or do the old patterns creep back in? Effort. Is she initiating, suggesting plans, making time? Or are you still driving 90% of the interaction? If so, nothing has changed. She's re-entered your life without increasing her investment, and that's convenience, not a relationship. Respect for your boundaries. When you slowed things down, did she adjust? When you addressed what happened, did she take it seriously or brush it off? Respect isn't what she says, it's how she responds to your standards. Watch, observe, decide.